I don't do much of research, and I have no idea if somebody else have done this before. But have you noticed that these models struggle to run on these Tomy tracks? Let me show you. I know probably some other people have done this before, and that they used to grind this bump or hump, whatever you call this part right here, and so that way you make it run on the tracks. But probably you remember that I swapped some wheels, Tomy wheels, to Trackmaster 2 models, and since the wheels are a little bigger, that allows the model run really good on the Tomy tracks. Okay, let me show you. So, like I said before, you don't need to grind or reduce this bump or hump, whatever you call it. The only thing you need to do is swap Tomy wheels to the model, and it works just fine. And actually, for those who are not familiar with these things, these models, you can swap any chassis to any other models and it fits right. And I'm talking about any Trackmaster 2 models. Look, see, because I know some people don't even know how to replace the batteries, but I know the majority of you guys know how to make it work, or you already know that these you can do this with any model. Trackmaster 2 fits right in place. It's the same size. So anyways, you got the idea what I'm trying to say. This is only for those who don't know that this can be, you can swap the entire wheel sets, the chassis, and just remove the shell and swap it with other models. So this is a good idea if you don't have to grind this part right here under the Thomas models. If you are in the process of swapping the wheels, you don't need to do anything else under the models. Okay, I think that's all for this video. Let me see, this one doesn't want to fit. Yes, it fits right there.